Philip, I took a poll, and what the people have come tonight to listen to is one song, and one song only, and that is Ghost Rider.
No.
In the sky.
Every time with the Ghost Rider.
No. We've talked about this. Don't encourage this. You do an incredible job on that song, but we're not doing it this set. We're doing Ghost Rider adjacent pieces. There you go. Apparently you have fans out there.
Get your banjo, Philip. Peter, that's what the people really want.
To the town of Haverfree rode a stranger one fine day. Hardly spoke to folks around him, didn't have too much to say. No one dared to ask his business, no one dared to make the stop. But a stranger there among them had a big iron on his hip. Big iron on his hip. It was early in the morning when he rode into the town. He came riding from the south side, slowly looking all around. He's an outlaw, loose and running, came the whisper from each lip, and he's here to do some business with the big iron on his hip. Big iron on his hip. In this town there lived an outlaw by the name of Texas Red. Many men who tried to kill him, and that many men were dead. He was vicious and a killer, though a youth of 24, and the notches on his pistol numbered 1 in 19 more. 1 in 19 more. Now the stranger started talking, made a plain to folks around. Was an Arizona Ranger, wouldn't be too long in town. He came here to take an outlaw back alive or maybe dead, and he said it didn't matter, he was after Texas Red. After Texas Red. Take an exchange.
Wasn't long before the story was relayed to Texas Red. But the outlaw wasn't worried, men that tried before were dead. 20 men had tried to kill him, 20 men had made the slip. 21 would be the ranger with the big iron on his hip. Big iron on his hip.
The morning passed so quickly, it was time for them to leave. It was 20 past 11 when they walked out in the street. Folks were watching from the windows, everybody held their breath. They noticed Hanson Ranger was about to meet his death.
About to meet his death.
Are y'all done? Can I finish my song? There was 40 feet between them when they went to make their play. And the swiftness of the Ranger is still talked about today. Texas Red had not been leather for a bullet fairly ripped, and the Ranger's aim was deadly with the big iron on his hip. Big iron on his hip. It was over in a moment, and the folks had gathered round. There before them lay the body of the outlaw on the ground. Oh, he might have gone on living, but he made a fateful slip when he tried to match the Ranger with the big iron on his hip. Big iron on his hip. Big iron, big iron. When he tried to match the Ranger with the big iron on his hip. Big iron on his hip.